Hi everyone, welcome to another week. It's Mentor Rita here. Hi to all the boys and girls in my class and the boys and girls in Mentor Katie's class as well. I'm going to do a very quick video now just to show you our new sound for this week. This is going to be on page 28 of your phonics book that you should all have from your workbook pack. So our sound this week, we have 3 letters and the letters are E, A, or. But it makes an air sound, like the air all around us and the air that we breathe, okay? And you will see the first word and the first picture here to give you a clue for the first word is an animal. And if we were in school, this would be one I'd be trying to draw on our chart, isn't that right? And it is a bear, okay? So bear, and bear is spelled B-E-A-R, and the E-A-R make the air sound, isn't that right? Now the next thing I'm going to ask you to do is to try and think of some words maybe that could have an air sound, but they could be made with an E, an A and an OR. So think about how you could say the clothes that you have on you at the moment. You are wearing the clothes, isn't that right? That's one way to think about it. And another one would be a type of fruit that you eat. They're especially nice during the summer. And they begin with a P, and it's a pear. So think of some words like that, okay? Now I want you to come over to your spelling list. So the first word here is drip. Like you might have a tap at home that might be given an odd drip. And silk, it's a type of material, okay, is silk. And actually it would be really interesting to look up and see how silk is made. That's something you could look up on YouTube if you wanted. And then you have some words to fill in with your E, A, or to make the air sound. So this one, as we know, is going to be bear. And I'd like you to fill in the rest of them. Okay. Now, then you're going to go to your sentences and you're going to pick a list word that would fit with the sentence and it would make sense then. Okay. And then we have 2 words here that we would use for our maths. The first one is weight, okay? And the next one is volume. Okay, so we've certainly covered off weight already. And volume maybe just a little bit in school, okay? Volume is a way of saying how much something will hold, okay? How much a container will hold, or how much is in a container, okay? Now the next one here then are some prefixes, all right? So you take these 2 prefixes, this one is try and this one is telly, and you see if you could add those to the other end of the fish, see the other end of these words to make a word, okay? So I think maybe to start you off, if you took this one here and you took that one there, you might be able to find a word that would tell you how to examine the planets and the stars in space. Okay, boys and girls, have some fun with it and I will talk to you later in the week.